dashboard displays a schedule snapshot, black displaying all scheduled jobs in the factory, red displaying all scheduled tasks past date requested. The black indicator shows a factory overview. We can see there are currently 32 jobs with an estimated 148 hours worth of work. Those in red are past the date required or will be with the current workload. You can organise this data in a variety of ways. For example, grouping the information by equipment. You can simply click on the workstation to see the current workload and availability, or group by status to show all jobs currently being worked on in the factory displaying as live. Statii also shows historical data of all jobs run through your factory and can be used to create a variety of reports. For example, the efficiency of specific equipment. Adding date to see performance within the chosen period. The blue figures display operations that took longer to complete than estimated. You can see every time this has happened by filtering by the overrun option, displaying total figures at the bottom of the screen. Information for your schedule is automatically dragged from your quote, so the work is already done. Choosing operations, time for setup and process time per unit. You can check equipment availability by simply clicking on the magnifying glass. Those expected to be later than the requested completion date display in red. Now the quote has been converted to a live job, the sales order is automatically created. Simply action the sales order by emailing or printing to automatically create all supporting documents found at the bottom of the screen. At status created, the works orders have not been loaded onto the schedule. Once again, the magnifying glass will take you to the equipment's current schedule. Enter request dates for when you want the task to be completed to meet the date required. By clicking into the schedule, you can see whether the task can be done by the date requested. Those in red cannot be completed. You can prioritise work by simply using the buttons to move operations up and down, automatically calculating the result of the changes on the remaining operations. The availability of the equipment is displayed in the top right hand corner and can be easily altered by clicking Edit and entering the new availability. Once again, the expected completion dates will automatically update as a result. If the date expected is behind the date required, the figure will display as red on the works order screen as an urgent task needing attention. Statii offers a Shopfloor data collection system, allowing you to send works orders down to the shop floor. Employees can then simply log on to a job, collecting real-time reporting and collecting accurate costs. To load operations onto the schedule, simply print the works order for the digital work to list to be uploaded. Within just a few clicks, the personnel can choose the operations on the work to list, automatically updating the system, collecting real-time data against the job. This can be seen as monetary value on the works order screen. Also within the sales order screen, green displaying the actual costs is within the estimated costs. Once an operator has logged on to the operation, it will display as live within the current live operations and the equipment schedule. Clocking off a job is as easy as clocking on a job. you can fully or part complete a task. You can now see who worked on the operation and for how long. Once complete, the job will be deleted on the schedule. If a piece of equipment is full to capacity and you are unable to finish the job by the date required, there are currently 3 jobs unable to be completed on time. To avoid late delivery, simply complete this operation to take it off the schedule. Now simply click Edit to add a new task to the works order. Choose another piece of equipment that can complete the task. Check its availability. Copy the time estimated from the closed operation. Print the works order to load it to the schedule.